What's up, you guys, and welcome back to 23rd Garage. So today we are back on the Prius. As you guys know, we were waiting on a part before, and now that we have acquired the part, here it is. It's the left side upper radiator support.
How much was that from this dealership?
I actually don't know, but I can ask Paul. In the meantime, you guys can try to guess how much this piece was, and also try to guess how much this piece was. I told you guys it was $1,800 in the last video, but obviously that's not true.
Did we get a little discount because of this dent right here?
Yeah, we got a discount because of all the holes and the dents in it, and got a really good deal because of that. But yeah, this piece goes on, and this piece goes on right here, mates like that, and then everything goes onto there. I haven't tried to get this piece out, see if we pull this thing out.
Oh yeah, because we did pull this piece out right here. So.
Okay.
Go ahead and weld it on. We're done.
Honestly, bro, in all honesty, if this was my car and I was keeping it, I would have saved this apron. This apron could have been pulled out, and also this piece could have been saved as well. But when we started this job, we were coming in with the intentions of replacing everything, so, you know, we didn't do it was a what's it called? It wasn't a rescue operation, it was just a recovery operation at that point. Search and recovery.
Yeah, that fits pretty good. So what's the next step?
Yeah, look, it fits pretty good even though it's off already right here. The next step is going to be to drill out these holes. As you can see, I cleaned some of the sealer off. I don't clean the sealer off right here on this side because if you leave that sealer there, it will show you exactly where to align your new piece. And then once you get it all welded in, it will actually burn away after you weld it, and then you can just wire wheel it off. So really good tip right there for you guys if you ever want to tackle a job like this by yourself. And at the bottom here, I've already drilled a few of the holes. I was bored yesterday, and we got these holes drilled a bit. Might have to go a little bit more on it. Might get Nate to do that. Nate's a beast at drilling holes. And then right here, we also have this bracket. This is the transmission mount bracket, and it needs to be drilled out too because our piece is going to slide in. Our piece is going to slide in between this outer structure here and the inner structure, where if you look inside, you can see the transmission is bolted to. So it's actually a structural piece if you think about it, you know, and it needs to be done right. So let's get this thing off of here. it's looking really good so far. Everything seems to be, you know, lining up. As if you can see right here, and they show them these, the two little red half moons are lined up here. And then all our seam sealer is lined up. And see, this is why I wanted to leave the seam sealer, because as you can see, it lines up perfectly with that seam sealer. And like I said before, once we get done welding, it'll burn it off, and then we'll scrape it off and put some new seam sealer on there. So that's pretty cool.
So you ready to weld it up?
Yeah, I think so. I think I just need to drill 2 more holes right here in this thing, and then 1 right here on this side. I think it's just 1. And then yeah, we're going to surface the spots, hit it with some weld through primer, and then go ahead and weld it up. But I'm having a little issue with my welding helmet, so we're gonna have to go take care of that.
Go down to the welding store?
Yeah, I think we'll run down to IWS and see what kind of advice they can give us with it. What's going on?
What's up, guys?
Chilling. Hey, I got a question, if you're not too busy.
I'm crazy busy, but we got to answer your question.
I'm always interrupting people.
You're good.
On my welding mask, I don't know if you remember the Miller helmet that I bought from you guys. The batteries, are they like some kind of special batteries that go in there? Or?
So you can do a CR2450, but the Miller actually is a Panasonic one that they say is a little bit thinner, but you can do any CR2450 and that will.
But does that have to be rechargeable?
No.
How does that work? It doesn't recharge it?
Well, you got your solar panel on it that can, but they're still going to go bad over time.
So a
CR2450.
CR2450.
Yes, sir.
All right, sweet.
Yep.
All right, thank you, sir.
All right, buddy.
Y'all have a good one.
I'll see you guys.
All right, so we got some information. We forgot the mask at the shop, but I guess it doesn't really matter. So we're gonna run down to the store and grab a CR2450. I think it's right there.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing, bud?
Doing good, doing good.
Hey, I need a battery off of that.
She'll get with you in a minute.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she'll get with you in a minute.
You've been doing okay?
Oh yeah.
That's good.
Excuse me for 1 second.
That's Motorhead's biggest fan right there.
I thought that was V-Tune's biggest one.
And V-Tunes. Yeah, do they have a number on them?
2032.
2032. So no 2450s?
Mm-mm. I thought you were gonna bring me the. You didn't bring me the sample.
I should have. I forgot my mask at home. It's for my
Oh.
welding mask.
Uh,
I guess I'll go grab that, and then
yeah, that's
that's gonna be easiest way to do it.
I think it said we only carried the 2032, 2025. That's the only ones we carry.
All right, so we've been to like what 3 different places now, and everybody they have them, they carry them, but they're out of them because I guess it's a very popular battery. But we swung back by through here because we got to give our buddy some merch.
I see what you got, huh?
Yes, sir. Got you some.
Sweatpants?
Yeah, and then there's your sweatshirt.
Okay, thank you.
No problem, bud. Enjoy. Alright, 2450. 2016, 2025, 2030, 2450 right here. Man, there's only one. There's only one. Didn't he say 2430 will work as well?
Yeah, you said one was a little bit thicker. I don't know.
I just don't want to buy it and then, of course, we could just put something in there like a penny or something, or a dime. Yeah, we'll stick a dime in there, or a quarter.
Is this all you need?
Yes, ma'am.
$12. Hey, George. Measuring tape? $8.
Thank you. Y'all have a good one. All right, so we are back at the shop and we've got our batteries in our little battery trays. This one was actually a little bit thinner, so we put a quarter in there, which happens to be exactly the same size, and hope it works. I think it will. What do you think, Nate?
Probably. I mean,
All right,
Let's
see. Nice. Yes, sir.
it works.
Yes, sir.
We can get that piece welded in now, huh?
Yeah, buddy. Alright, so we got the front end on the Prius. We haven't bolted down the bumper or the headlights. We just got them sitting on there. But everything is looking good. Looks like we are ready to weld. The gaps on the fenders are looking really nice. We actually got this fender straightened up really good, and it's on there. We actually got it all bolted down. It's good with the door. It's good with the top there and with the fender. So we know that we are good to weld. The front bumper and the headlights, they're not even bolted in, and they're sitting pretty nicely. A bunch of minor little adjustments that need to be done. Hood actually needs to come forward a bit right here. I don't know what's going on with this. It's a brand new hinge, but it's still back a little bit. So we'll adjust that and we'll get it all welded up real nice. But we actually have to go help a friend of ours whose truck blew up at his job, and he has no other vehicle. He's borrowing a vehicle, and he needs some help getting that thing fixed. So we're going to run over there and fix it. And that's going to be it for this video. So tomorrow we'll jump back onto this thing, get it knocked out. And it actually works out really well because we can get this thing welded up in the morning and get it all painted up, trimmed out, and about by the end of the day, what do you think? We can put it all back together and get it complete.
Yeah.
So it's actually works out well. And I like welding when you come in the morning and everything's ready, you just weld it up. It always works out best for me like that. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps us out, keeps us motivated. And also check us out on Instagram at 23rd_garage. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.
Yo, can you